All right, guys, so we combined week 1, week 2, and we just added week 3 today. Thank you again for 500 subscribers.
Woo!
YouTube.
Yay!
Yes, a little celebration here. All right, so we're gonna do week 3 and then we put it together, okay? So we started from the bottom, now we're here, just kidding. So we started from here. I'll tell you how do we get here, okay? Here I'm gonna turn my follow. As I'm turning my follow on 1, I'm doing an outside turn for myself on 2, 3, and tap. Here's what I saw from a lot of you leads, and watch what I'm about to do. 1, 2, 3. Why? Because you travel back.
So far away.
Traveling back is going to make you create space between you and the follow, and therefore you're going to be catching the follow like this at the end. So don't travel back. Just turn, go along with her so that way you're here. Yes, don't create distance. You're right in front of your follow. Then we can do 5, 6, 7, 8, which is another prep turn using 2 hands. Then I like to bring the hands down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, place my hand on the waist, no surprises, leads, turn my follow, 6, 7, and together, yes? So I'll do it again, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? So if we put it together.
First 2 weeks?
First 2 weeks, just want to just run it through because we already did the video for that. So 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, up, hammer lock, 2, 3, bring the hand down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, collect, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is how we get here, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the performance. Yes. All right, good job, guys. Practice, practice.